This is the X22 125cc motorcycle from Venom Motorsports. It has a 4-speed manual transmission, very similar to the Grom or other Grom clones. It features both front and rear disc brakes. With an analog tachometer and a digital speedometer, the bike offers more than most for the price. The bike also offers an upgraded muffler, as well as LED headlights. Starting with the left side of the bike, we have your clutch, your high beam, low beam, choke, your horn, and your flasher. Heading over to the right side, you have your kill switch here. You have your electric start here, as well as your front brake. So far I have over 900 miles in this bike. Other than the slight drop, it's been reliable. It starts every time, and it's never broken down on me. So I rate this bike a 4 out of 5. Not only for its price, but also its value. Here's the 125cc engine. It's carbureted, not fuel injected. This bike can even carry a passenger. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick overview of the Venom X22. More videos will be coming soon. Thanks.